right in the heart of Kawasaki City. As you go through residential areas and office buildings, you come across this warehouse. It says Anata no warehouse, which means your warehouse. Oh my gosh, it looks a little creepy. It looks a little run down, but it is actually an amusement game park made to look like the walled city of Kowloon, and I apologize if I've fumbled that pronunciation. So let's go take a look and see what this warehouse actually is. Entrance into the warehouse is free of charge, but of course you pay for the games that you play. Oh yes, and you must be over 18 to enter. This is the entrance from the parking lot. The atmosphere alone is fabulous. The bonus is all the variety of arcade games, retro games, claw machines, and token gambling games. They also have billiards, darts, and table tennis. Anata Warehouse is just a short 5-minute walk from Kawasaki Station. Definitely go check it out.